one. So this background, this right here is actually just wrapping paper. We didn't really need it, so I'm using it for here because I'm gonna be painting and it'll just fall on here and then I can just throw that away. So I wanna do, let me move that to the side first. So what I wanna do is I wanna do like the cup pour type acrylic. I forget what it's called, but when you pour all the colors in the cup, these are all the colors I had chosen before. I wanted to do this a long time ago and I'm happy I'm actually finally gonna be doing it. Let me get you guys at a better angle so you can see. Okay guys, I have never done this before. This is like my first time doing flip cup acrylic painting. So I'll show you, I let it sit in there for a little bit, but I watched a few like videos on people doing this and now I feel like I might be ready. I guess you don't know how it's gonna turn out, just however it turns out. So I'm gonna flip. So I'm gonna flip the canvas and I'm gonna flip the cup. Oh my god, I'm nervous, guys. Okay, I did it. And so the lady that I watched, where hers turned out so beautiful, she kind of just let the cup sit there for a little bit and do its thing, I guess. And then she lifts it up. So we're gonna sit here for a minute. Say a little prayer over it. Either way, if it looks pretty or doesn't, it's just basically gonna be a background for my vision board or dream board, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm ready to lift it, guys. Okay, there we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ooh. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. Oh my god, you guys, look at it. It's so pretty. I almost don't want to move it. I almost feel like I didn't use enough paint, but I felt like I was using a lot of paint, so I don't know. Wow, these colors are so beautiful. I'm gonna set it down real quick so I can take a picture on my phone. I know I'll be extra. Oh my gosh! I just let it sit and it looks even prettier. This is so beautiful. It already started dripping a little bit right here. Paper down for that. It's dripping so slow. I'm gonna pause it for a minute. I love these colors. It looks like a sand, like sandy. It looks like a sunset. I kind of want to add more paint on this side, like fill up another cup. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make another mixture over here. I want more blue in this. Okay, so finally it's like dripping off the edges. So what I did, I'm gonna set that over here, is I made another cup. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because the other one I flipped over completely. I mean, I might be able to pick this up and flip it over. It's looking so pretty. The camera just stopped on its own while I was doing that, so maybe I'll pick it up. I don't know where the side to put it on. This side, this side. But yeah. Here we go. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm nervous, but I'm gonna lift it up. Shoot! Oh my god, that's a lot of paint. Oh my god, I'm getting paint all over my hands, but I guess that happens. That's so pretty. I don't know which way to move it. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see it. Should lift the camera up a little bit. It's getting rid of the pretty piece that I loved, but I don't know what to do. Move it down this way. It's still beautiful. Okay, so this is what's happening. All that paint fell down. It actually looks really pretty on the edge. So I'm gonna start turning it this way for it to come down. I actually really love it. Even though the other part kind of disappeared, it's still very beautiful. So what I did here in this corner is I poured whatever was left in the cup. I kind of poured it there because that kind of dried up and it wasn't really getting any color, so I added that there. Accidentally messed up and put it there, but it's still looking pretty. It's dripping down. I can paint all over my hands, so whenever I touch the camera, I'm like getting paint on it. I really love it. It's beautiful. I might add paint here or maybe smudge it with my finger. Hello? It looks like a beautiful like beach sunset. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so this is the final product. I really like how it turned out. It's so pretty.